everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So today's video is going to be a vlog of me doing a morning cleaning. Yes, so you can tell this is just me preparing to wash the bathrooms in my house, clean the kitchen, and do some extra cleaning which I like to do in the morning. So here's just me setting up my detergent and other cleaning agents. So I like to spray Vim, so it's more like a bleach on surfaces, especially bathroom surfaces, and leave it for a while before I wash or do anything, so that way it helps take out the scum. There are two bathrooms in the house, so I also wash the shower curtains and the kitchen mat. And yeah, I just wash both of them at the same time because it's easier and I like to treat them the same, and they're the same actually. So this is just me taking out the dishes in the dishwasher and just keeping them where they're supposed to be, because whenever I do my dishes, we never use our dishwasher. We just use the dishwasher to drain those dishes, and then the following morning or as needed, I just come and take all the dishes from the dishwasher and put them where they're supposed to be. But last night I was so tired after clinical, so I didn't have a chance to do the dishes in the sink. So that's what I'm currently doing now. And I'm also using this time to pass time to ensure that the vim that I sprayed in the bathrooms does the job is it's supposed to do. A quick story behind this vlog is that this was supposed to be a day in my life vlog or video, yeah, but I didn't get a chance to film the whole day because I was running late to my appointment. I was running late to my meeting because I was had a meeting with my supervisor and my research partner, because this was a non-clinical day for me, and I was also going to do clinical work from home remotely, but it gives me a lot more leeway or some extra time to do other stuff. So I thought this was going to be a perfect day to do a day in my life, since it was a really busy day and I had clinical work, other school work, and these meetings to attend, and the meeting with my supervisor as well. But yeah, it didn't work for me, unfortunately. And again, storage space was an issue. So yeah, I just got a chance to just do a morning day in one of the days in my life, I guess. Yeah, so basically I like to do my laundry and do my house cleaning in the morning, because I just find that I'm more productive and more energetic during the morning, so I might as well use that time and use it efficiently or effectively, which for me is doing things like this and maybe doing lots of school work. And yeah, because that's where my brain is more. Yes, I'm an early person. 4:30, even during a non-clinical or even during the summer, it's approximately my wake up time, because that's what my body is used to, and I guess I can't change my body's biological clock, unfortunately. But yeah, it's just me. So I'm back to washing the bathroom. I guess the vim has stayed for the while I wanted. So I just start with washing the sink, the toilet, and then the bathtub. There's no particular order. I just do it as needed, and then clean the walls, um, clean the window, which I already did. And basically, that's just how I clean my bathrooms in the morning. I don't spend more than 40 minutes to 45 minutes cleaning both bathrooms and it took me a longer time today anyways because I wanted to film it. And I hope you also find this video to be motivational or inspirational, I guess. I mean, if sometimes there are days you probably don't even feel like cleaning your house even when you know that it's untidy, but so I hope this video is a motivation to many people out there. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue with the cleaning of the bathroom. As you can see, these are the decorations and hand soap, brush holder from the bathroom. So I also wash them whenever I wash the bathroom because again dust can accumulate and I hate when things are dust. I just hate when things don't look clean. Period. I cannot tolerate. So I always wash them and dry them, just allow them to air dry whenever I wash the bathrooms. And I wash my bathrooms on a weekly to bi-weekly basis at the very least. So this is mostly during the summer and spring, yeah, which is when I don't go to school. I ensure I wash the bathrooms every week, but school days it's bi-weekly because I just can't, like, it just has to be that way anyways. So yeah, I just like a clean environment. I cannot stand dirt. It's just me as a person. I can't stand dirt. It's so frustrating to me. I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but this is basically how I feel. Like I feel like the house should be clean. Waking up in the morning should be waking up to a clean home. And yeah, yeah, it's just how I feel. And I'm just here cleaning my parlor, sitting room. Yeah, parlor. We call it parlor back home or sitting room, however you decide to call that. But yes, I take out this piece in the center of the sitting room and everything so I can sweep and mop because I have to sweep and mop or just sweep. But today, whenever I take that out, that means I'm going to mop the floor of the parlor or sitting room, however you decide to call that. So yeah. So here I'm just returning the bathroom decorations back to their respective places because I already washed them and they've all air dried and the bathroom has been washed and it's clean and it's dry. So I'm just returning things to where they are supposed to be. Sometimes I light that candle, I light it sometimes, but today was one of those days I just couldn't because like I said, I was running late to my appointment. So I need to hurry up and take a shower and just leave the house. With transit, of course, you'll be extremely late. So I didn't have enough time to do that. And here's just me fixing the bathroom curtains. So I usually put them on quick wash. Yeah, this we've had this for about a year and some months now, and we haven't had to change it or anything like that. We just wash it in the washer. So we're coming to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have any other vlog or video ideas you would like to see, please let me know and I'll be sure to have it up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.